My name's Ben. I work at Commercial Diving Services and I'm a dive supervisor. Working on the mixing boom, which channels the water out into the centre of the reservoir to dilute it. This is really important because as the water comes into the reservoir, it comes in quite dirty, and by channeling it out into the centre of the reservoir, it dilutes it down, so when it's taken out, it's nice and clean. These mixing booms were installed a long time ago, and there's actually no records of them when they were first installed. So we were instructed to firstly go out and do an inspection, gather enough information on what had to be done or what could be done, and then go back with a plan. CDS start off by removing the boom from its original position. With the repairs, firstly, it's had to be cleaned using a high pressure water cleaner. And then from there, the tears in the plastic on each side are measured and new patches are cut, and then they're welded over using the plastic welder. And by carrying out these repairs on the shore, it then is able to be reinstalled correctly and hooked up to the anchors as it originally once was. And then this provides the dilution where it can channel the water out into the centre of the reservoir. Thanks for that, mate. You can come back and jump in. It's an absolute priority of ours to maintain a good record in safety. It's a real privilege to be involved and asked to do such a big project like this, and something that affects so many people. To learn more about these projects, please visit our website.